I don't give a fuck. Shit.
Alright, hey people.
What up?
It's me, Fee.
What's Linda? You already know.
Well, last video we told y'all to inbox us if you have any questions or anything like that so we could discuss. And we both got questions, so we're gonna answer them and whatnot. Linda was inbox. What are we majoring in?
My major is web design.
Mine is animal science. I plan on going and get my veterinary degree, so
I have no idea what I'm gonna do with mine, but I'm gonna do something big so I can get some money.
I was asked how's college life been. It's fun, you know, work hard, play harder, but it's fun, you know. It's what you make it. If you sit around the dorm all day, you're gonna be bored as fuck. But if not, then you're gonna have fun, you know. You just turn up whenever you can. You know, but also keep your studies in mind and keep your grades in check, you know. But college life been pretty good for me. Been homesick, but it's good.
Oh, college life for me has been very interesting. It's like a big ass high school, pretty much, to me, basically. Have I been homesick? No. I miss a few of my friends. I miss my church, and I miss my freaking bed. I miss my freaking queen size bed. I'm on this extra long twin size. Yes, I'm small, but god dang it, I need room.
Okay, any tips for saving money?
Hell yeah. Okay, if you're not in college yet, start saving now, okay? And if you are in college, I would suggest, like, say if you got a job or if you have work study or something, every time you get that check or get some type of money, at least put, say, at least $5 of that away for later on. Like, put it to the side, like in a little safe space that you know you're might forget about, where you look at it, you be like, oh shit, I got some money. But in the most time, like, just keep it to the side and, like, put yourself on budgets when you start going out and stuff, like shopping and stuff. I know you was
any tips, like, when you go out, when you get something to eat, you definitely need food while you're in the dorm, because the cafe here closes at a certain time, so you can't go back in. And like, if you get hungry later on in the night, you need something to eat. So when you go shopping, like, shop for budget. Noodles
are your best friend.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Daddy, I thought they were just playing my high school years. They were so serious. Noodles are your freaking best
microwave noodles.
Friend. Microwave noodles, cup noodles, and freaking frozen dinners are your best friend in college.
Heck yeah.
As y'all see, y'all saw me eating my noodles a couple times and stuff.
They cost $2 for the 24 pack of microwave noodles. They cost $2 and some cents. For the cup noodles, it's 20 cents. You just buy them singly, so you know you can budget for noodles.
And if you get some burritos, they cost 44 cents. And the frozen TV dinners, depending on which kind you get, should be at least $1, no more than $1.
So just remember, like, you have money, but you need to spend it wisely. Cause in the end, like, you gonna need something badly, or you gonna want something and you ain't gonna have it because you done spent it already. So.
And also, if you come to college, pray to God, like, cause here, our freshman year, we're actually allowed to drive. Bring a car, know how to drive, cause being stuck on campus gets boring as hell.
Yes, it does.
Unless you go to one of them really high school that actually live up to their statements that they tell you when you're going to freaking orientation and they don't lie to you.
Next question. Will I be twerking? Okay, let me explain this to y'all. I don't twerk at all. So, you know what?
I'm teaching her.
You know, you'll see videos of me
play dancing, which, by the way, I'll put 2 of them up.
Yeah, she'll have 2 today up. So, you know, I'll twerk a little bit. You know. Don't get too comfortable, but y'all have fun. And last question, do you think Obama will win the upcoming election?
I pray to God he do. Because Mitt Romney, mid-round. Okay, mid-round. This man over here trying to take away stuff that we need in college. I don't know about y'all, but I need financial aid, boo-boo. I'm struggling. It's hard out here. It's hard out here in these streets. You just don't know. It's hard in these streets.
Okay, so honestly, I hope Obama wins. But right now, it's just like everybody's, you never know. It might, Mitt Romney might win, and
I pray to God if we do, we all need to
God
move out
bless
of
us, you know.
if we do, we need to move back to freaking United States. Everybody will move to Canada. Go to Canada, Mexico, something. Cause yeah.
But honestly, it could go either way. And so I really can't, just say yes or no. It's whatever happens, God knows what's gonna happen, so we just put it in his hands. So that's all the questions we have. If you have any more, hit us up. Y'all got it. My Twitter, my everything.
If you don't,
Facebook,
inbox me, inbox her, And as a side note, God damn it, I wear this heavy because I am fine, freaking comfortable, okay? I don't give two shits if I look like a freaking Eskimo jester or whatever all that crap is, nigga. My freaking hair looks a certain type of way. Do not freaking judge me. Bow, hope.
These niggas broke, I'm paid for. Blood gang, Red Bull, my tongue like a surfboard, and her pussy like a wave pool.